2021B, which will become an act in a few months from now. Mr. Speaker, honorable members, this is a fulfilling day for myself, for my constituency, for the people of Kenema, and by extension the people of the Eastern region. We have waited for this day for quite a while. I can remember vividly the formation of the Eastern Polytechnic was under the leadership of the current minister. There was the Minister of Education then, under the late President Ahmed Tidiane Kabak. Definitely. When the Bollywood Teachers College was displaced. Yes, sure. Definitely. When the Bollywood Teachers College was displaced, they came to Kenema, and the government technical institute played host to them in their campus. But by then, Bollywood Teachers College, they had uniforms. Their students used to wear uniforms. And of course, even technical. Eventually, under the late Dr. Sandy Bokri, who was the principal of the Bollywood Teachers College, the idea of merging the two to become a polytechnic came up. And the minister championed it, and eventually, we had the Eastern Polytechnic. I went to Eastern Polytechnic myself when I started my own level. Then they were wearing uniform. I refused to go to Bollywood Teachers College. So I will not wear a uniform after secondary school. But when the Polytechnic was born, I went to Eastern Polytechnic to do my HTC. So the transformation from the Eastern Polytechnic to a university has been a very serious problem. We struggled. Stakeholders from Kenema and the college authority struggled. In the last parliament, under the former president, Ernest Bai Koroma, proposals were made. Myself, other members of parliament, Dr. Bubakar Gabi, Dr. Wande Lahai, we pushed, and the document was almost at the completion for the executive to bring so that we can do just like we are doing today. Unfortunately, it did not happen. It did not happen. Under this administration, His Excellency Dr. Julius Malabio, when he went to do the thank you tour in Kenema, the people rallied with placards, with inscriptions that they wanted the university. And when he was responding, he did say, and he promised that definitely you don't have to show me inscriptions. That university, the Polytechnic, will be transformed. He said, you deserve it, because I believe the Eastern region has been the only region without a university. So because of that, he said, definitely. And from that moment, I expected the minister then to have taken up as a policy statement from the president and ensure that those dreams are actualized. Unfortunately, we had a series of stakeholders meeting, and there were challenges. At some point, the people of Kenema and the Polytechnic themselves, students, were very, very agitated because some letter came out which suggested that the Polytechnic Kenema and the Meeting Market should remain as Polytechnic institutions. We had to go in to quell down people that, for the fact that the president has promised that these institutions will be transformed, we believe we have a big name called Talk and Do. And it's just a matter of time, this transformation of life. So, we are here today as people of Kenema. The other day I was made to understand that the minister went to Kenema at the Eastern Polytechnic, and he told officials, students, and indigenous of Kenema to say, you go and lobby your members of parliament so that when this thing comes to parliament, when I went, I was told, I said, there is no point for the lobby. This is our project. We have been waiting for this all this while. And believe in me, we will use all our zeal and our strength. Mr. Speaker, honorable members, at this moment, at this juncture, I want to encourage, I want to appeal to members of parliament across the aisle that for once the Eastern region deserves a university. The Eastern region deserves a transformed university. This government has made a lot of strides to bring technical and vocational institutions, but at advanced level. That is why I was made to understand that this college will be called Technical University. We don't have any problem with that. So that people who are going for technical courses will not do them at advanced level. You know, you have to do your BA, your BSc, and so far and so on, even at master's level. That is why these universities are very, very important, and they are welcoming. At this moment, I want to encourage all that having gone, when we go through the committee stage, we do justice to the bill, and we approve with alacrity. I thank you very much for listening.